Hello, Gunner, Minnesota. I would like to help any beginner searchers who may be wondering about which are the best digging tools for metal detecting. First two tools of uttermost importance: the Lesh knife. This isn't just any old piece of junk steel knife. This is a high quality, made in America, made out of a very strong special steel, which I can explain a little bit. It is made of chrome molybdenum. You'll notice the blade is not deeply curved. That's so it can smoosh right into the ground. These ears are so you can push on it, cut roots. But chrome molybdenum steel. Out of my welding book, the alloy steels. Chromium. When quantities of chromium are added to a steel, the resulting product is a metal having extreme hardness and resistance to wear without making it brittle. Chromium also tends to refine the grain structure of steel. Therefore, by increasing its toughness, it is used either alone in carbon steel or in combination with other elements. It is used in combination. In this case, the Lesh knife is a chrome molybdenum. This element produces the greatest hardening effect of any element except carbon, and at the same time it reduces the enlargement of the grain structure. It's a fine grain structure. The result is a strong, tough steel. The pinpointer helps you, of course, to pinpoint the metal, which means you're not going to dig a gigantic wide hole, offend the groundskeeper, and get kicked out. You need a pinpointer. And the point of the Lesh knife is to dig a deep, straight down plug. You don't want to dig at angles. The grass will die. Dig deep plugs. Put the plug out. Use a plastic bowl or something like this to put the dirt in. Because if you put it on the grass, you never get all the dirt in the hole, and you're going to have a depression. And the guy we don't want to offend the most is the groundskeeper, who's going to get ticked off when he falls in a hole mowing the grass. I always bring in this Wilcox trowel, because this Lesh digger is better at cutting and digging through hard dirt and rocks. You need something that can dig dirt out. And this Wilcox trowel, 18-inch stainless steel, also made in USA, is good at that, and it's really has a lot of pry power and can dig dirt out of a hole. So I highly recommend this tool, this, and this. This I use to pull out nails, cans, gnarly things, glass, whatever, to just pluck it out of the hole, because you can get a lot more. This I use for just picking up trash, or say I just dig a slit or a small plug. This can get me down deep in that plug and pull dirt out and drop it in the bowl, or pick trash up here and there. Very nice. This is a modified Lesh knife. I cut the ears off, extended the handle. Gets down deeper into the holes. Here's an instrument for digging in clay. Chrome vanadium steel. I hammered this out. It's good at digging clay. Hard packed clay. A little bit at a time. The Predator Tools shovel. This one's made in 2003. It's a model 58 Little Eagle. Durable, tough. This can go through just about anything. well worth the money again because it's made in America. It's made from the 4130 chrome steel, molybdenum. I always bring a bucket. And I always throw trash in the bucket. As soon as I show up, I start throwing trash, even if it's someone's plastic bottle or stuff they left around or broken glass. I throw it in here. When the groundskeeper comes around, he asks me what am I doing, what am I finding. I show him all my trash. Make sure you're not leaving holes, because if you tick off the groundskeeper, you're out of there. There's nothing he hates more than when he has to stop and pick up a tin can or a plastic bottle, or if he falls in a hole and sees the grass looks like crap, because if the grass looks like crap, he's not doing his job and he could get fired. So you're going to be out of there. So you have to dig careful, save the trash, dig neat holes, pack them down. You need to have yourself a good magnet. Here's the magnet that I have made. It carries two N38, 1 inch wide, 1/2 inch deep. So if you got a 1x1, out of the holes. So if I come across a crusty tin can, this gets all the metal. If there are two 1 inch by 1/2 inch neodymium magnets, these are N38s. They go up to, because when you dig the dirt out, it gets aerated. All of it won't fit back into the hole unless you pack the dirt down. So I use this as a packing device too. I really slam that dirt back down in the hole, and that way it all fits in there again. I sometimes pluck a little grass, if there's grass there, stick it in the bottom of the hole. Acts like a... Keep the groundskeeper happy, you keep coming back. Tick him off, make his job hard, where he's got to stop and fill holes. His lawnmower's hitting a hole and his back's getting hurt because that lawnmower bumps on the hole. He's gonna get you out of there. He's gonna ban detecting. Help him out. Pick up a few tin cans and some bottles. He sees that, hey, he doesn't have to stop. Makes his job easier. That's what you want to do. Don't want to damage the grass. You'll be okay. They'll let you keep digging.